This Force 13's regional AU channel with the latest on the national weather scene, including the tropical scene for November the 1st, 23. Again, there's not much going on across Australia. There's a strong wind warning for the Geraldton, Launceston, Perth and the Bunbury geographic coast over in Western Australia. However, here's a look at instability from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow, and the instability level is impacting the northwestern parts of Western Australia, and I think there's a low pressure system just to the east of the southeast Queensland coastline. There's a strong wind warning for the Sunshine Coast waters, Moreton Bay and Gold Coast waters. There's also a strong wind warning for New South Wales, Byron and Eden Coast. And Victoria's in the clear, although they have a sheep graziers warning. Current capital city temperatures: 29.4 in Sydney, 21.6 in Melbourne. Now here's a look at precipitation and pressure, and we're focusing on the area south of Bundaberg for the next several hours. Brisbane is 27.1, 18.6 in Perth, 17.7 in Adelaide, 18.3 Hobart, 24.8 Canberra, and a hot one up in Darwin, 32.5. No rainfall has been recorded in any of the capital cities. Darwin is looking at a shower or storm, possible late shower for Canberra, shower to Hobart, also Adelaide, sunny Perth, also the same for Brisbane, showers Melbourne, mostly sunny Sydney. And as I just mentioned, no rainfall has been recorded in any of the capital cities. And storm probabilities, you can clearly see that it looks like it's going to be the area south of Fraser Island, Sunshine Coast. It was a windy and wild night across southeastern Australia. Major fluctuations in the temperature and warm air baking eastern New South Wales well into the small hours. Wild winds buffeting Sydney and snow blanketing elevated parts of southern Victoria and Tasmania. At 3 a.m. it was 28 Celsius at Sydney Airport, 16 Celsius at Brisbane Airport, and 8.4 at Melbourne Airport. This is a news report from yesterday. Penrith had a minimum of 23 Celsius at 9 p.m. And here's a look at the winds at the 850 millibar level. And the wind gusts of 104 kilometres an hour just after 4 a.m. That would have been yesterday morning at Badgerys Creek, and air traffic was also disrupted. And so at Mount Bauble, so mixed weather back, and really tropical scene. The Bureau of Meteorology has updated their 7-day forecast. There's nothing on the radar for the next week. However, we are keeping an eye on the Solomon Island region, including Fiji. Possible low could come on the radar, but nothing short term. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Here's a look at the Bureau of Meteorology's rainfall outlook for the next 8 days. There's 3 slides, days 1 to 8, 5 to 8 and 1 to 8. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. It looks like it's going to be southern Queensland, northern New South Wales, probably down to at least Port Macquarie. The brown is 5 to 10, the green is 15 up to 50, and the picture does change. It looks like it's going to be the East Gippsland region down in Victoria, right up along the coastline to New South Wales to the Queensland border. A little bit of yellow inland Queensland, probably the Wide Bay Burnett area, west of Fraser Island, Bundaberg, and then it goes from 50 to 100 for the northern New South Wales region. And bushfire activity continues, but as I mentioned a few minutes ago, we've seen a mixture of weather. We've seen loss of homes due to the bushfire activity, snow, and here's a look at the GFS model, wind and pressure, and we're keeping an eye, as I mentioned, on the Fiji region. Precipitation, again, it's the GFS model. And the scale is at the bottom of the screen. I'm looking at the yellow through to dark brown. And you can clearly see that the picture really develops for northern New South Wales, and caution needs to be applied. This particular model is out to 384 hours. And looks like it's going to be the Northern Territory, Western Australia border, just to the west of Kununurra. And here's an updated model run, the precipitation and pressure. Quite a few low pressure systems, the high pressure system or systems. And you see the activity up there in the Solomon Island region. That's it for now. Please continue to monitor the channel. And just recapping, is the official start of the 23-24 tropical cyclone season.